In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write fractions in Google Docs, whether you're working on a math worksheet or just want to include fractions in a document for any purpose. This guide will help you understand two simple methods to achieve that. To get started, open Google Docs. You can do this by navigating to your browser and typing in Google Docs. Once there, open a new or existing document where you want to insert fractions. There are two primary ways to write fractions in Google Docs, and I'll walk you through each of them, starting with a straightforward text formatting option. First, go ahead and type out the fraction you'd like to format. For instance, if you're working with the fraction 2/3, simply type 2/3 directly into the document. Once you have your fraction typed out, we'll start by highlighting the numerator. Place your cursor at the beginning of the numerator, click and drag to highlight the number. With the number now highlighted, locate the format option from the top menu bar, click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, hover over text, and another set of options will display. Here, you'll want to select superscript. This will slightly elevate the numerator, giving it that typical fraction look. Next, you'll want to highlight the denominator in the same way you did with the numerator. Click at the start of the denominator, drag to highlight, and head back to the Format menu. Follow the same steps as before, this time selecting subscript from the text options. This will lower the denominator, completing the fraction format. Now let's explore the second method, which utilizes the equation editor for a more polished look. Start by clicking Insert from the top menu. This brings up another drop-down menu here. Move down to Equation and click that option. Once in the equation editor, you'll notice a new toolbar appearing below the regular menu. Look for a button labeled Math Operations. Click it, and in the resulting options, select the fraction template, which should look like an empty fraction. Clicking this will insert a fraction structure directly into your document. With the fraction structure in place, all you need to do is type your numerator in the top box and your denominator in the bottom box. This method not only looks cleaner, but also ensures that the fractions are typographically and mathematically correct. With these methods, you can successfully include fractions in your Google Doc with ease and precision. Each approach offers a different style, so feel free to choose the one that suits your document's aesthetic or functional needs best. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and happy typing!